Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my car care routine and see if I can make it look as good as new. As a car enthusiast, I know how important it is to take care of your vehicle. In this video, I'll be sharing my top tips on how to maintain your car like a pro. From simple tricks to essential practices, I'll cover it all. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or a newbie, this video is for you. Neglecting your car's maintenance can lead to some serious problems. I've seen it happen to friends and family. A small issue here, a small issue there, and before you know it, you're facing a hefty repair bill. Not to mention the decreased performance and fuel efficiency. It's crazy to think that a simple oil change or tire rotation could save you so much hassle in the long run. One of the most common issues is engine damage. When you don't change your oil regularly, it's like asking your car to run a marathon without water. It's going to overheat, and it's going to cause some serious damage. And let's not forget about tire maintenance. Uneven tire wear can lead to reduced traction, and that can be super dangerous on the road. Another issue is brake problems. If you don't clean your brakes regularly, you might find yourself in a situation where you can't stop in time. That's a scary thought, right? And then there's the aesthetic side of things. A dirty car can be a real eyesore. I mean, who doesn't love the feeling of driving a clean car, right? Dirty cars can also be a breeding ground for bacteria and germs. And if you're someone who eats in their car or has kids who spill stuff, it's even more important to keep it clean. So what can you do to avoid these issues? So let's dive into some essential car care practices. First things first, regular oil changes are a must. Just like I said before, you can't run a marathon without water, and your car can't run without clean oil. I recommend changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tire maintenance is also crucial. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month and rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. And don't forget to clean your car regularly. A simple wash and wax can make a huge difference in how your car looks and feels. But here's the thing, it's not just about the big things. It's about the small habits you build into your daily routine. For example, do you check your fluids regularly? Do you keep an eye on your dashboard warning lights? These small habits can save you a ton of money and time in the long run. I've learned that proactive maintenance is always better than reactive repairs. By taking small steps to maintain your car, you can avoid costly repairs down the road. And it's not just about saving money, it's about saving time and stress. Think about it. When you're not worried about your car breaking down, you can focus on the things that matter most to you. You can drive with confidence, knowing that your car is running smoothly. And that's a great feeling. In terms of actual numbers, studies have shown that regular maintenance can save you up to 50 on repair costs. That's a huge difference, right? And it's not just about the money, it's about the convenience. When you take care of your car, you can avoid those pesky trips to the mechanic. So, let's recap. Regular oil changes, tire maintenance, and cleaning are essential to keeping your car running smoothly. By building small habits into your daily routine, you can avoid costly repairs and save time and stress. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you've got any car care experiences you'd like to share, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more automotive tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos.